Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration features on this device. First of all, go into settings, then scroll down a bit, choose sound over here, and now click on vibrate vocals. Over here, select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so have to tap on that one and go back. Now you can click on the switcher next to notification vibration to disable or enable it. Then scroll down and click on the switchers next to all of those vibration features, like charging sound and vibration, touch vibrations, and vibrate when the other party answers or hangs up, to disable or enable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!